Hello, body fangs, and welcome to the bush. Guys, South Africa is bloody beautiful. The people, the gees, the vibe, the great outdoors. Like me sitting here on my camping chair with my sleep sack, and just now we're going to have a little bit of a braai. Tan a choppy, have a doppie there, and maybe have a cook sister. Yeah. And apparently, they are doing this in the UK, Northampton, the Zambezi Fest, from 27th till 30th of August 2026. Yeah, it's going to be a whole weekend of absolutely South African culture, food, drinks, you name it. And some bloody amazing live entertainment. Oaks like Third Wheel, Josh Ansley, hashtags, Black Mamba Man, and plenty of entertainment for the whole fan family. So make sure that you get your tickets in time because they're running out fast. Okay, come experience pure Southern African culture. Zambezi Fest, 27th till 30th August 2026. Northampton. It's gonna be bloody amazing. Okay, thanks.